Hello students, today we are going to start our second practical of subject switchgear and protection, and the second practical is to identify various switchgears in the laboratory and write their specifications. So let's know something about the significance of this practical. Students, as we know, the switch gears are the most important components of electrical system, as the whole power system is operating with different types of equipments, devices which are very costly. So it is needed to provide protection as well as safety to the power system, to keep reliability and continuity in supply. Hence, it is needed or it is very important to survey different switch gears or switchgear equipments used in electrical power system and their specifications. So, for this practical, these are some resources that we required. First is the fuse, then isolator, circuit breaker, relays, CTs, PTs, lightning arresters, and earth switch. So, the observations that we have to observe while preparing this practical, that we have to note down this in this chart or in this table. So, in this table we can see that there is equipment or device, then we have to know its function. Also we have to know about its technical specifications and the symbol of particular equipment and device. So students, let's start with the first equipment, that is fuse. So students, as we know that fuse is a metallic piece of wire which melts when excess current flows through it. So first, the function of fuse is basically it is used for overcurrent and short circuit protection, and the technical specifications of fuse are it is available for 6 ampere, 10 ampere, 16 ampere, 32 ampere, 63 ampere and 100 ampere. Also we were studied about the types of fuse, and the types of fuse are rewirable fuse or semi-enclosed fuse, HRC fuse, dropout fuse, expulsion fuse, striker fuse, etc. And the symbol of fuse is like this. Okay, you can see here a symbol of fuse. Now the next equipment is a switch. Switch, it is used for circuit closing and opening processes. It is available in and the technical specification of switch is 5 ampere or 16 ampere, etc. And the symbol of switch is like this. And the next equipment is an isolator. Okay, an isolator, its function is isolators are used to open and close a circuit under no load condition. Isolator never operates on a on load condition. Okay, so the technical specifications of isolator are, it is available in 63 kiloampere, 40 kiloampere, 31.5 kiloampere or 25 kiloampere for respective voltages like 400 kilovolt and 63 kiloampere, 220 kilovolt, 40 ampere, like that. And for 3 seconds it can carry this current. The symbols of the isolator are, this is the symbol for isolator or the single break isolator. This symbol is for the double break isolator. Okay. Now the next equipment is relay. Relay is a device which detects fault and supply information about that fault to the circuit breaker for circuit interruption. Technical specifications of relays are triggering voltage, the voltage across coil which is 5 volt DC, triggering current, nominal current which is 70 milliampere. Third, maximum AC load current which is 10 ampere at 250 volt oblique or 125 volt AC. Maximum DC load current which is 10 ampere at 30 volt or 28 volt DC supply. And the symbol of relay is like this. Basically, relay is having 3 terminals, NO, NC and common. NO is normally open, common is common terminal, and NC is normally closed. You can see here this terminal is closed, common terminal is connected to the NC terminal. This is normally closed terminal. Next equipment is contactor. A contactor is an electrically controlled switch used for switching and electrical power circuits. Contactors specifications are rated operational current which is greater than or equal to 50 ampere. Main contacts, there are 3 main contacts or as per its general specifications. Auxiliary contact, 2 NO plus 2 NC means 2 normally open contacts and 2 normally closed contacts. Coil voltage range which is 165 volt to the 270 volt AC 50 Hz supply, and the symbol of contactor is like this. Okay, now the next equipment is circuit breaker. Students, as we know that the function of circuit breaker is a circuit breaker is an equipment which can open or close a circuit under no load or full load condition, under no load and full load condition or fault condition, or we can say that under abnormal condition. It operates automatically as well as manually, and the technical specifications of circuit breaker are there is a current rating. Here you can see that it is 1500 ampere, 1000 MVA, 33 kilovolt, 3 second short time rating, 3 phase oil circuit breaker, etc. The technical specification of circuit breaker is like that, and its symbol is, this is the symbol of oil circuit breaker and this is the symbol of air blast circuit breaker. Now the next device or equipment is MCB, miniature circuit breaker. So the function of MCB is, it is automatically operated switch. It automatically switches off electrical circuit during any abnormal condition in the electrical network such as overload and short circuit. It means it provides protection against overload and short circuit conditions. The MCBs available in market with a technical specification 6 ampere, 10 ampere, 16 ampere, 20 ampere, 32 ampere and 63 ampere. The symbol of MCB is like this. You can see here a symbol of MCB, miniature circuit breaker. The next equipment is CT. CT is nothing but the current transformer. Its function is, CT is used for the measuring high currents or protection purpose. CT, its technical specification having a ratio 50:5, 150 ampere as to 5 ampere, 300 ampere as to 5 ampere, like that. There is the technical specification of CT, and the symbol of CT is like this. The next device is PT. PT is nothing but the potential transformer. It is used to measure high voltages and also it can be used for the protection purposes. Its technical specifications are, its rated primary voltage which is, here I have written 33 kilovolt, or its rated secondary voltage is 110 volt. Its symbol is like this. Okay, then next is lightning arrestor. Students, the device which is used for the protection of the equipment at substation against traveling waves which occurs due to lightning strokes, and the technical specification of lightning arrestor are its rated voltage, which is given here 12 kilovolt RMS, maximum lightning impulse residual voltage, it is 30 kilovolt peak value, above one is the RMS value, here is the 30 kilovolt peak value, and the symbol of lightning arrestor is like this. Next is earth switch. The main function of the earth switch is to ground the isolated bus or conductor. See, the earth switch is used to ground the isolated bus or conductor, and the technical specifications of earth switch are rated voltage, which is 25 kilovolt, rated current, which is 400 ampere, the number of poles, I have written here 2 poles, control, these earth switches are manually operated with operating handle, or these switches may be coupled to the isolator. So here is the symbol of earth switch. So students, this chart that we have to note down in our manual. So let's see some devices or equipments which are available in our laboratory. So here I would like to show you some devices or equipments which are available in our lab. So here you can see a switch fuse. This is a switch fuse. This is a switch fuse of 16 ampere 415 volt, which contains semi-enclosed or rewirable fuse. Semi-enclosed or rewirable fuse. This is a base of fuse and this is the top of fuse. You can see here a fuse element. Here this is MCCB. Here is HRC fuse. These are the HRC fuse. This is of 80 ampere. This is of 160 ampere. Here is MCB. These three are the MCBs. This is single pole MCB, this is 2 pole MCB, and this is 4 pole MCB. Here is the potential transformer. Here is the current transformer. This is current transformer. This is contactor. This is a lightning arrestor. So these are some equipments or devices which are available in our laboratory.